So to finish the analogy and the analysis of these cultural differences in USA and in Europe with software development, first of all, you'd have to say who's in it to win it? Who is able to develop functionality, functional software? Who is sitting there sort of trying to one-upmanship? Who's in there, trying to say, I can see you've made a mistake. And that is the meaning of my life. So that's often the case in Austria and Germany and Switzerland. The meaning of my life is to see your mistake and that you know that I saw your mistake, and so I have a higher position. That's the sad truth of it. Now, about creative development, creative work. So the way it works as a software developer, it's not like, okay, you got a shovel, here's the sand, dig in, move it over there. The problem is that to move the sand, so to speak, or to implement this functionality that we're talking about, this reply to all emailers thing, to implement it in what could be a complex and already big software project, which already has a lot of code, right? Say often there's a software project that'll have as many lines of text as all of Tolstoy's 21 volumes, right? So say there's 100,000 lines of text. How do you get to that part that you need to change to get your new functionality? That's where there's these intuitions. That's where not just that. There's a lot of cases where you can't just go directly to the answer. There is no answer there waiting for you. You have to often forget about your work. You have to sort of to get in, to get out, this idea, turn off to turn on. So you have to go play guitar, you have to go for a run, and somehow this, what we say in software development, a thread running in the background, which means like a thought in the back of your mind, is somehow working and developing an idea of how to solve your problem, of how to attack the problem, or how to, and it's often the problem is to analyze. So to analyze the root cause of, say, of a bug, what they say is a bug, right? So a problem, or to find the simplest way to implement this new functionality, and that is creative work. And you can read about it on the internet. And it's often that what you need to do is to turn off to turn on, or to forget in order to remember the solution. So, and then that's a very personal thing, and you have to develop that within yourself, how you do that with your work day, right? Is it a work day? How does it work? Do you go for a run in the middle of your day? And then how does it work out? So you work that out. Now, USA does it great. Europe, they don't get that. They know, oh, you misspelled that. So that's all I wanted to say. Have a wonderful day.